Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to save messages in Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like contacts, chats, and settings. Stay on chats, then open the chat from where you want to save the message. For example, I'm gonna open the wallet one. Then go ahead and long press on the chat that you want to save. Then select forward. Once you do that, you're gonna have to go ahead and tap on saved messages and go back and you'll find that message in saved messages. And guys, that's it. That's how you save messages in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.